All right, guys, good morning. Well, I'm going to try to make this a quick video because I want to just show you guys what we're adding to our membership. What I'm always trying to do at tradeconfident.io, the membership that we run, I show you guys literally all of my trades. I've taken out over $500,000 of profit this year in the cryptocurrency market. Really quickly, guys, to show you guys, our account is at 1.2 million. On top of that, 400,000 we took out. We are currently still $272,000 in profit. All right, now you know a little bit about me. Okay, so what I want to introduce for you guys today is I'm coaching you guys in our future forecast every Tuesday and Friday. There's links in the description for that. Is I'm going to be introducing a new indicator that I'm going to show you guys in our membership, Pro Trade Manager. This indicator here, guys, I've been coding for about 8 years. I have never found and been able to produce an indicator that has been able to more accurately predict the peaks of cryptocurrency markets as well as the lows. I'm not going to go in this all today, but I showed all of our members on Friday how I'm not overshooting this mark, guys. Like 95% of all the peaks on XRP, XLM, SHIB, Cardano, Algorand, and Solana, they were all predicted, as well as the best entries to get into all of those coins. Like unprecedented entries. What I've done here, guys, is I've taken 9 of the most popular indicators. I'll list a few here: RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, moving averages. There's a few more there, 4 more. And I've found a way to comprise the data into an oscillator, but also I created another indicator so you guys could visually see where the red dots show up. I have not dialed this in so this looks pretty on Bitcoin. I've been doing this for almost a decade. I don't do that shenanigans anymore, okay? I never did it before, okay? But some people, when they come up with indicators, they try to look for ranges because ranges usually look the best in for oscillators that you code. If you guys, again, watch the future forecast on Friday, you guys will see that you saw the entire history of XRP, XLM, and you guys saw the accuracy of that. What I want to do today is, one, present this to you guys because I think some of you guys are going to want to sign up to be able to have access to this data that we'll show you. But I want to teach you guys how to read this and understand it. So what I want you guys to do is watch this replay for a second. When we go to a replay section here, we're going to see this little box down here shift. So there's a couple points here. There is a status and a signal. The status is going to tell you if sellers or buyers are in control. Okay, I'm educating you guys right now if you guys are in the membership, and if you're not, you guys need to know this because I'm not going to go over this when we're in the future forecast. I'm just going to show you the data. I actually called out yesterday a signal that posted long on one of our coins. The last time we had a signal was in 2022. Like, I think you should be paying attention to that, okay? I called that out yesterday in the Telegram channel, linked you guys over. So watch this. As the market is moving down, and the moment that we get a bright green background, you're going to get the status of overextended. It's going to change. It's going to visually have your eyes looking at the bottom right of the chart. It's a visual clue, green. Focus on purchases at this moment. We're going to watch it again. It's going to say overextended right here. On this candle, once this closes, you guys are going to receive a dot at the bottom. It was on this candle close, not this one, because we're on the replay. It shows up right after the close. So just letting you guys be transparent with that. And also the signal shows it here. On this candle here, the indicator said long entry, short TP. Because of the accuracy of this, we know that people are going to start taking shorts in the market, especially as we end closer, move closer to the end of the year, potentially move into that bear market in 2026. So we're going to call out long entry, short TP. That's what you guys are going to see. And from there, obviously, the rest is history, and you guys can see how this has performed since then. Okay, so I want to come on and do a quick video here. We are going to be showing this data and these readings to all of our members every Tuesday and Friday. When you guys are in the membership, I challenge you guys, like, pull open your MACDs right now, pull open your RSIs, pull open all the indicators you guys think that could have timed this. And I'm not trying to be arrogant in this at all. Please understand here. I'm just trying to say, guys, for coding for almost a decade, I am blown away by the advent of AI and what it is able to do to predict price action in cryptocurrency. It blows me away because I used to have to do this by hand, but with AI, I've been coding this up until midnight for many nights this last week, and I'm very impressed with what we've been able to produce here. And more so for the people in our membership, you guys can actually watch this because right now at the moment, we are just keeping this in our membership. So it's not like we're charging $600-700 for an indicator, okay? If you guys are new, we're giving you guys 25% off tradeconfident.io, that whole participation membership there, okay? It's only $49 a month. You guys can watch all the signals. I'll end this here. One of the reasons I keep talking about this is because I think we have big moves coming. If the government opens up, do you guys know that behind the scenes we've already hit the deadlines for the Solana ETF being released? Do you know we hit the deadlines for many of the XRP ETFs? If the government opens, the ETFs get launched, let's say the first day, and money comes flooding back into the market, you're going to want to watch for some exit points. And I show this to our members on Friday. Guys, XRP, XLM, SHIB, Cardano, all those charts, I'm not being overzealous about this. 95% of all of the peaks on all those currencies were called. All the main ones that you really wanted to get out, those were called with the red dots. It's what happens when you comprise all the best indicators together and you make it very simple for people to see. Okay, and we've also put in something proprietary here, which if you guys are coders and you're in the membership, you're going to see it and you're going to be like, how the heck did you do that? But real quickly, I'm going to geek out here for a second. For those of you guys who are coders, many oscillators, guys, do not have a function to show continuous sell signals in an extended market when divergence is visible on an indicator, which is specifically an oscillator. We found there is now a program built in here that I've been trying to figure out for almost a decade here of how to actually get an oscillator to identify that you're in an overextended market and still show good places of exit, because it actually doesn't show up as a reading on the indicator. With AI, guys, we were able to accomplish that. And if I know I lost half of you guys there, but my coders, watch what we're able to produce in the future forecast. I think it will blow you away. I've never seen anything like this before, okay? So I'll end this here, guys. Tradeconfident.io, there's a link in the description. Go over there, grab a membership, guys. I will share with you guys my entire portfolio, all the plays that I make. It's just on the front page, and every Tuesday and Friday starting tomorrow, I will come out with another video, and I will explain to you guys what's happening this week, and I'll release it here, guys. Why I actually I may be looking to sell over $100,000 this week. And I'm going to explain to you guys why that is, and I'm going to show you a chart that I've never shown you before, and I will be showing this indicator as well within the membership. All right, guys, God bless. Have a great day, and I just think a lot of you are going to want to see this and have this on your team as you're going into the end of the year, and we will be presenting this every Tuesday and Friday to all of our members. God bless, guys, and links are in the description. Bye-bye.